You're dying of thirst walking through me. You're starving, but you find nothing in my way. This place has no rain but lot of sand, where you eventually find an oasis. Who am I? I'm a desert. Not tasty dessert, it's a desert. Desert means dry. It is an area of land which is covered with sand and has no vegetation. So here, I am Monalisha Tyagi. Welcome to my Learning is Fun channel, and in today's video I'll tell you how to make a model of a desert.